They say the Thermal Grizzly CPU contact frame is the new must-have accessory for CPUs in 2026, an upgrade everyone claims will drop your temps, improve performance, and fix the bending issue on Intel's LGA 1700 processors. It sounds promising, it sounds technical, but is this contact frame actually something you need? Or is it just another overhyped product pretending to be a miracle fix? Let's break it down. When you first look at the contact frame, everything seems premium and well-made. Clean machining, solid materials, a design that looks engineered to perfection, and marketing that instantly tells you one thing: your CPU runs cooler with this installed. And that's exactly what catches people's attention. Because in 2026, everyone wants lower temps, better efficiency, and more performance. But products that promise that always come with doubts. So the big question is, does it really work? People online have posted mixed experiences. Many users say they saw temperature drops of 5 to 10 degrees Celsius after installing the frame, especially during heavy workloads. Others claim the difference was small, barely noticeable, or not worth the trouble. And then there are users who had installation issues, wrong pressure, difficulties aligning the frame, or even motherboards that didn't fit perfectly. That's one of the most common problems with these kinds of accessories, not whether they're fake, but whether they work consistently for everyone. One thing that stands out about the contact frame is how simple the idea looks. Replace the stock ILM, apply even pressure, prevent the CPU from bending. But here's the truth: removing the original mounting mechanism always involves risk. It may void warranties, it requires precision, and one mistake can damage the CPU or motherboard. And whenever a product requires that level of care, the experience becomes unpredictable. Some people get great results, others regret even trying. Another thing people talk about is expectations. Thermal Grizzly promotes temperature improvements, which is true for many users, but some people expected dramatic performance gains, only to realize the difference isn't always huge. Again, that doesn't mean the product is a scam. It just means it works within the limitations of real hardware, not miracles. Now let's talk about transparency. Thermal Grizzly is a known brand, and the frame is associated with a reputable engineer. But even with that, users have mentioned that installation guides can be unclear, and support isn't always fast. When you're working with expensive components, clarity matters. Lack of detailed instructions doesn't make the product bad, but it definitely might make beginners think twice. Another thing to consider is actual benefit. Some users report great improvements, while others say their temps barely changed. That's because results depend on the cooler you use, the pressure applied, the CPU model, and even the motherboard revision. So, while the product can work, it's not guaranteed to work the same for everyone. So, what's the truth about the Thermal Grizzly contact frame in 2026? It's not a cheap gimmick, and it's not a scam. It can absolutely improve temperatures for certain users, but it's also not a universal solution, and it doesn't perform magic. It's more of a works if your setup needs it type of product. If you have bending issues, high temps, or heavy workloads, it might help a lot. But if your system already runs cool or you're not comfortable removing the stock mounting hardware, this probably isn't for you. My verdict: the Thermal Grizzly CPU contact frame is real, but not perfect. It works for many, disappoints others, and remains unpredictable overall. If you try it, be careful, follow instructions closely, and don't expect extreme temperature drops. If this video helped you decide whether the contact frame is worth your time, make sure to like, comment, or share so others know what they're getting into. Stay smart, stay safe, and always research before buying any PC upgrade.